Hello.
Oh, hello darling. Welcome.
Good morning. My name is Mary Grace. I'm the new nurse po here.
Have you been to hell before?
No, never.
Well, welcome to hell.
Oh.
I'm gonna be your preceptor for the next 4 weeks. I will teach you everything so you can survive in this floor.
Okay.
If the doctor makes you do something you don't want to do and it's not your job, don't do it. That's not your boss. That's your coworker. Copy?
Yes po. Copy, tita.
Next. You're doing something and you're busy and the family member of the patient scream at you. They want you to do something. Tell them, this is a hospital, not a hotel. Copy?
Understood, Tita Martes.
Next, no mental breakdown, okay? Stop crying. Because your crying is not gonna make you money. Make the money, and then when you make the money, you can cry after. Okay? Copy?
Yes, Mom. I mean, Tita Martes. Yes.
Listen, I know you work hard because you want to send money back home in the Philippines, right? Oh, I will show you an application I use, okay, for so long. I send money there very quickly, quicker than your patient asking you to come back to their room after you just left it 2 minutes ago, okay? I will show you Remitly.
Remitly? What do you mean po, Remitly?
Remitly is the safest and the fastest way to send money back home in the Philippines. They have the best exchange rate and they can receive the money in 5 minutes. Why don't you check out the link in my bio and get yours now too and send money back home to the Philippines? Oh,